boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. This will be a quick one. Kapo, No Cry. That is the title, that's the artist, and this is a Kapo as well. You're gonna play that on the 6th fret, put it on there, and you will have the easiest life ever with this song. So let's go into the chords. We're gonna start with A minor. That goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. F, it's a bar chord. Placing his finger on the 1st fret to push down all strings there. Then you need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. We have C next. 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And finally we have the E minor. Open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E. Alright, so these 4 chords rolls, and they roll and roll through the entire song. So we need to learn how to handle them. A very common strumming pattern for these kind of songs will be this. Okay, so with A minor, you're gonna play down, a short pause, and then up, clap, down. Down, up, clap, down. Okay, but you're gonna switch chords and not stay with A minor all the time. So you're gonna play one of these per chord in the same order we learned the chords. So A minor 1, F1, C1, and E minor 1. Sounds like this. Alright guys, so I promised you a quick tutorial on Kapo's No Cry, and that's what you got. So, hope you enjoyed it, and if it was helpful, leave me a like, and maybe a comment, and maybe subscribe, and be back for next upload. Till then guys, play tuned.